No nap. I know we're not meant to mention other streams, but someone is about to cook a freaking tarantula. What? Hachama? Is it Hachama? You're fucking kidding me. Is she cooking a... Oh, that's... She's not actually... What? She's cooking... What do you mean she's cooking a spider? Where did she fucking get the spider? Where did she get the spider? Look at her... Oh, no. Look at her Twitter. No. Oh, God. I don't know if I want to see that, but... What? What? What the fuck? What the... What the fuck? I'm about to throw the fuck up just the thought of eating something like that. Coffee, that's it.